For example 2, we're going to take the same company producing microwaves, and this is the revenue that, the function for revenue that shows how much money can be brought in, not profit, but how much money can be made on the sale of these microwaves. So now I want to find marginal revenue. How much would it cost to make just one more microwave? So we're going to start, our step 1 is almost exactly like marginal cost, except it's money coming in instead of going out. So same thing. We're going to multiply our exponent times the front, reduce your exponent by 1. So for my negative 8x squared, multiply your 8 times 2. There's not a need necessarily to write that step out. Reduce your exponent by 1. And then for the last part, what is the derivative of 16x? You keep your 16, multiply it by the exponent of x, which is just 1, and you reduce that down to an exponent of 0. So this is step 1 for finding marginal revenue. Now, same deal. I want to find out how much it would benefit us, what would be the revenue we would receive by producing just one more microwave. So, if we are producing 10 microwaves already, we're going to put the 10 in, not 11, put in the 10, and we're going to plug in the 10 into our function. So our marginal revenue, this gives me 300 minus 160 plus 16, and my marginal revenue would be $156. So this is a mighty nice microwave, don't you think? If you look at the marginal cost that we came up with earlier, which was $118, if you want to compare the revenue minus the cost, it would make sense to produce that 11th microwave as part of your units, because if you make more in revenue than you end up spending in cost and you end up with a profit, then it would make sense to produce the 11th microwave. And that's the type of questions that I'm going to be asking you on a test. So the last thing I would ask for you is to subtract the cost from the revenue, and if you end up with a positive number, then it would make financial sense, possibly. Could be profitable to make that microwave. So it looks like you would make a profit of $38.